2009 Nissan Rogue. This is where the O2 sensors are located. If you come in from the passenger side here, and then you come down, here is your upstream O2 sensor, your cat there. And then down below is your downstream. Both located on the front of the vehicle. When you come in, you got your connector here, and then you got your other connector, and then they're both going to be right on the front. Right there is your top one, and then right there is your bottom one. 2009 Nissan Rogue. And then here's the view from this. You can get your socket in there pretty easy. And that's pretty straightforward.